Hello kids, how are you today? Today I will show you some toys. Yay! Let's start. Wow, this is a bus, tourist bus, toy bus, red color bus. Wow, red color bus. This is red. Black color wheel. Wow. Here is purple color, blue color, yellow color, and later is green color. Wow. Purple color, yellow color, blue color. Red color bus, red color. Wow. Wow. Beep beep. Beep beep beep. Wow. Oh, oh no. Okay. This is truck. Nice truck. Nice truck. Wow, many color truck. Sky blue, red color, yellow color. Wow. And wheel is black color. Wow. Ooh. Nice toy, very nice toy. Okay. Here is a tank. Wow, fighter tank. Wow. Wow, nice. Green color toy. Green color tank. It has wheel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 wheel. Wow, very nice. It has a flag. Wow, excellent. Wow, nice. Wow. Very nice, very nice. Wow, this is a soldier. Wow. Wow. Okay. Wow. This is another car. This is sports car. Sports car. Wow. Very nice sports car. This is yellow color car. Yellow color car. And it has 6 wheel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow. 6 wheel yellow sports toy car. Okay, how to run? I will. Wow, zoom. It has light. Okay, let's try to see. Wow, red color light. Wow, very nice. Yellow color toy sports car. It has 6 wheel, blue color wheel. Blue. Wow, excellent. Okay. Ooh, this tank and a bus. Beep beep. Very nice. Wow, zoom. And wow. Nice sports car. Wow. Wow. Very nice. Okay kids, no more today. Bye bye.